how to use Apple Books on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Books application inside your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply open your Books application, and the first tip I'm going to share is the reading time, reading goal inside your application. As you can see here, my today's reading is 4 minutes 20 seconds. You can simply click here and start setting the time by clicking over here up to how much minutes a day you want to read. You can probably change this like this. You can probably change it like this. So that's tip number 1. So for tip number 2, simply click on any of the book you have available, and once you click on it, this is the highlight feature of the books. So when you click on a particular paragraph or sentence for a long, you can simply highlight the particular area with the different colors you like. Or to remove highlight, you can simply click on this icon and simply remove the highlight from here. And another feature is you can simply add notes from the particular word like this. And once I do that, it will remind me of where I was before. So to remove it, you can simply click on it and delete the note like this. You can also delete the highlight like this. And similarly, another tip is you can also click on a lookup option so that you will know the meaning of the particular word. If you don't know the meaning of the particular word, you can simply click like this and know everything about that particular word. So that's tip number 3. So another tip is that you can also use a catalog inside a book. So to do that, simply click on any of the book you have downloaded, you have added to your listens. Once you click on it, as you can see here, all the way down here, there's a catalog menu. Simply click on that, and again another hamburger icon appears, and once you click on that, you can see every chapter inside of the book from all the way down to here. So that's tip number 4. So another tip for you guys is you can also search inside of book. Once you click on here inside the book, you can simply click the catalog button here, and you can simply search book, and you can search a particular word from here like this. And by searching that, you might also get the particular chapters with that specific words like this. So that is it, guys. That's exactly how you can use your Books application inside iPhone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next